Hey, welcome back. Well, our next story took a long time to get here, about 100,000 light years. If you don't believe me, check it out.
Looks like we're heading to the great beyond. Deep in the Milky Way, a signal is being released fitting no understood pattern. So what could this mean or do?
Joining us now to break this down is Deputy Head of School. Deputy Head of School at the Sydney Institute for Astronomy, Tara Murphy. Tara, first of all, thank you so much for being on the show. Second of all, what in the world is this? What's causing these radio waves?
So we don't know what's causing it. We had a few theories. We thought it could be a massive flare from a star near the center of our galaxy, but we can't see a star there. We thought it could be a pulsar, so the dead remnants of a star that's rotating really rapidly, but we don't see any pulses. So at the moment, we're calling this a mystery, a galactic center radio transient, which is just the descriptive name that basically means we don't know what it is.
I mean, Tara, whatever it is, it's pretty cool. Tell us, have you ever come across unknowns like this or similar to this before?
So our telescope, ASKAP, is looking for unknown objects, and this is one of the first ones we found. So when we look at the sky with a radio telescope, we see lots of exciting things like supermassive black holes, we see dying stars, we see stars exploding, but this one doesn't fit any of the things that we know about already.
How do you know when they don't fit? Is it like a different for lack of a better term, Morse code signal, or what do you do? What are you looking for, listening for?
That's right. So we're looking at the properties of this radio emission. So this is electromagnetic radiation at radio frequencies. It changes extremely rapidly, up to a factor of 100 in a really short time. And it's also got this strange property called circular polarization, which is why in this image you're seeing these circles are rotating. So this is a very unusual kind of light that we don't normally see. If you put that and a whole bunch of other properties together, you get something that is unlike the other objects we've seen before.
And you know, with that said, Tara, we have to ask you, could this be proof of life beyond us?
I knew you'd have that question. So we're very confident it's not aliens.
Good.
Human-made signals tend to be very narrow band, and we assume that other signals from, intelligent civilizations, should they exist, would have those kind of properties. This object has all of the properties of an astronomical object, so I don't like to disappoint you, but we're very confident it's not aliens.
Okay, that actually kind of puts me a little bit at ease. Yeah, so thanks for saying that. All right, Tara, so stay right there. This is one of our favorite things that we do. We're gonna put your astronomy skills to the test. We're gonna play a little game called Hubble or Hip Hop. So we're gonna show you an image, and you have to tell us whether it's from outer space or from a hip hop music video, okay? So this is called Hubble or Hip Hop, and let's go ahead and reveal the first image. All right, Tara, is that from the Hubble telescope or from a hip hop video? What do you think?
Well, that image looks very cloudy to me.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if that's actually just the resolution, but I'm just going to guess that it is hip hop.
Okay, she's going hip hop, and the answer is boom! It is a hip hop song.
She's right.
Tara, I'm sure this is what you were thinking, but you probably already knew this is from the classic "GANGSTA'S Paradise" by Coolio. So
She
yeah.
knew.
I know. I don't even know. I'm just saying that for the people watching and not for her. You know what I mean? All right, here we go. Is this right here Hubble or hip hop, Tara? This is number 2.
This looks like Hubble to me. So I'm going to say that straight away, Hubble.
Yeah, I don't know much about space, but yeah, you're absolutely right. That definitely looks like something from outer space. Hey, can you tell us exactly what we're looking at there?
It actually looks like a nebula, so it looks like a cloud of gas in the interstellar medium, is what I guess, but I'm not 100% sure.
Bada boom, bada bing.
We're with you.
Yeah, we totally concur. All right, let's go to image number 3. That's image number 3, Tara. Take a look at it.
This is Hubble. So this is spiral galaxies, distant galaxies seen by Hubble.
Oh my gosh, we can't get anything past you. All right,
3
well,
for 3.
You nailed that one. Yeah, you're 3 for 3. Here's the last one. Let's see if you can nail this one. Is that Hubble or hip hop right there?
Oh, if that was Hubble, I think it would be an error. So I'm going to say hip hop.
Okay.
We can't get her.
We can't get her. Perfect 4 for 4 clean sweep. That's from the music video Miss Jackson by OUTKAST. That's an absolute classic, I tell you. That's almost as classic as the nebula that we just saw. All right.
I did better than I thought.
Hey, Tara, you nailed it. Thank you so much. And here, we'll let you go because I know you probably now want to listen to Little Gangster's Paradise and some Miss Jackson, I'm sure, right?
Thank you.
Thanks for being a great sport, Tara.
Appreciate it. She's like, no, I'm not going to listen to any of that.
She's like, never again.
Yeah.